Lamdam Asigi Maru Oiba water body Sing Semgattuna Esing Marang Kaina Leihanba Tangai Phadaba Lei HAINA Manipur University by Chancellor Professor and LOKENDRA PHONGDORAKLI Manipur University Department of Environmental Sciences Siduna Department Asigi Seminar Hall the Pangtokiba World Water Day Amasung Nation Seminar Hodopagi Tharum the Wafam Asib Mahakna Phongdokibani Sustainable Water Resource Management Issues, Challenges and Solution Haiba Team the Pangtokiba Tharum Adu the Professor and LOKENDRA Makatana Hai Lamdam Asida Mamang Thaktage Lejoram Laba Water Resourcing Asi Kanaba Akanaba Tharang Sing Packet Pagi Tangai Phadaba Lei Esing Awaba Kayam Mayok Nariba Asi Kohanaba Esing Marang Kaina Matau Karamna Phanghangadagi Haiba Asi Kanaduna Akanaba Thokshil Tharang Packet Pagi Matam Adu Yoke Hiramasigi Matangda Miyamna Packet Payaba Tabak Tharam Sing Adugi recommendation Ngasigi Tharam Asidagi Lobiu Hainasu Mana Makatana Phongdoke.
We have to focus more on management vis-a-vis mismanagement. We have to think about sustainability. We have been talking about sustainability for quite a number of years. Now I personally feel that we should include sustainability issue in the course curriculum of the undergraduate and the master's program. What is sustainability? Unless and until we include it properly in the course curriculum, mere discussions and mere deliberation is not going to work out. We have to explain very carefully what is a sustainable system. Sustainability means that we have to use it in such a way that we have to think about your posterity in the future. Available resources, we have to use it properly, efficiently, so that humanity can survive, our posterity can survive, our future generation can survive.
Thauram Adu Pangtopagi Matangda Manipur University Department of Environmental Science Associate Professor K. Chandrana Hai Tungi Mirol Kitamak Esing Marang Kaina Leihanba Honaba Change Honglakliba ing Asagi Kal Asina Piriba Chaiting Kaya Asina Naside Esing Awaba Kaya Mayoknade Maram Aduna Ikuni Esing Nintina Yokshin the Bahonabaki Tangai Phadaba Lei HAINA so Mark Makatana Phongdoke Thauram Adu the School of Human and Environmental Science Dean Professor S. Jiban Kumar Minister of Jal Shakti Nation Jal Jiban Mission Chairman Professor Mihir Kumar Pukrit Amadi Manipur University Department of Environmental Science Head Dr. R.S. Khoirang Bonsu Saryake.
Ngasisi akoi World Water Day akoi malemgi akoi ESHING kanbanimit haitare masisida akoi Department of Environmental Science Manipur University na akoi observance of World Water Day adugi mathakta akoi 1 day akoi nomi oiba national seminar on sustainable water resource management issues and challenges and solutions haibasigi theme sida akoi ngasigi seminar si sinjabani masigi seminar sida pulapna akoi lairiba ising resources si kamai toraga akoi lehoriba si kamai tor kallaga thamsige aduga akoi present generation gi damakta khallaga amasung future generation gi damak khallaga akoi water si kamai tor yokhalaga thamgada ge habisiki pandam sida akoi seminar si sinjabani